grateful for being still alive. I'm grateful for having such a lovely family. I'm grateful for having amazing sisters like a big community. I'm grateful for waking up every single day without having any problems that are concerned with breathing. I'm grateful for breakfast that I can get every single morning. I'm grateful for having a chance to see the wonderful natural things in the early morning. I'm grateful for still having a job in this atrocious time. I'm grateful for having such wonderful friends like them. We have several things that we should be grateful for that we don't give attention to. According to the monk Koshin Dhammadami, who is known as Oxford monks, he always mentions about 80-20 theories. In that theory, we are having many excellent situations that we never do a favor. At the same time, just 20% of bad situations that we are worried about exist as well. But we are prioritizing 20% of bad things instead of marvelous 80%. It's an extreme problem. That's why we are saying that my life is horrible. I'm in bad luck. I don't have good faith. I don't believe in destiny. Actually not. Our life is not boring, not terrible. It's brilliant. I used to think like that before, especially when the COVID situation started. All the things that I planned was cancelled. My expectations are stopped. We were influenced by many terrible crises. It was unprecedented. I didn't know how to deal with that. I was so anxious in the early morning and thinking about my job, thinking about the virus, thinking about the future. And like waking up midnight, sometimes at 1 or 2 a.m. with like nightmare, with a lot of sweat. I couldn't even fall asleep at that time. It was so difficult and couldn't control my mind. I didn't know how to handle it. Fortunately, because of the lecture that I got from the Oxford monk, I did figure out what I have been emphasizing. I have been intensifying on negative things of my life by neglecting the important good things. After that, I tried to do meditation and yoga in the early morning and trying to count the beats every evening. It was so obvious that my mind has been calmed down. I could find peaceful moments whenever I'm doing these things. Anything couldn't separate me. In a quiet place, inhale and exhale. And I'm trying to look at the past, that I have been so pleased with the whole family, that I could travel a lot of places. I donated to the charity, to the orphanage, then I offered to the monastery and I had a memorable time with my sisters, with my friends. I did a lot of good things in my life. It is satisfying and unforgettable. And behold the present moment that I am having now. No one is left from the family. Everyone is still alive, even we are not a rich family, even though we can run our business well. Of course, it's okay. We can support each other, we can help each other, we can build everything as long as we are still on the earth. I was insecure about having just a few friends, but I comprehended having such a good friend is the best instead of having a lot of fakes. And it reminds me to appreciate the good friends who are good enough for me. Sometimes they can also neglect and argue with our opinions, even we believe in them. So it reminds me not to expect that much from others as well. Many terrible things happen to us, but it will be just temporary, isn't it? Even we are suffering, we still have good reason to be happy at this point. Just look at it thoroughly to see the beautiful reason for being pleasant. It's not about just religion, it's about spirituality, about emotions, mindfulness, awareness, and it's even about secular, which is based on Buddha teaching. I don't have that much knowledge about religion, but what I am doing is relevant to our mind, which is conscious and subconscious. However, it is founded on Buddha's teaching. After getting the secret of calming myself, I did realize that I need to appreciate every single thing which is around me instead of insulting. If I think about the environment and look at the society, a lot of people have already died because of COVID and many other situations. But we are still surviving and enduring for every reason. That's a good sign that we must value. Don't procrastinate the time anymore and just say now. I'm grateful for having a chance to share everything that I am feeling now.